In today's video, we're making a parklet for a restaurant. My stepsister is a florist, and she was asked to build a little structure to put flowers on to liven up this restaurant's outdoor patio area. I drafted up these drawings, and really all we're trying to do is just a box that the flowers sit on top of, and then some slats in the back to shield the view from the restaurant patrons to the road. We are using plywood for the base, and then we got some Douglas fir slats for the slatting on top. We had the lumber folks, I think it's Friedman's, shout out to Friedman's, cut up all the wood for us, so I don't have to do any cutting. I might have to do a little cutting, but not much, which will really save us on time. Here we go. We purposefully kept the construction simple and quick to make so that the restaurant could start using it as soon as possible. The boxes do not have a bottom, and I joined all the pieces together using pocket joints. I realized the boxes were going to be really tough to maneuver since they were so big and heavy, so I just cut out some quick handles. Welcome to day 2! Yesterday I finished all the boxes, and today we're going to do the back panels. So for the back panels, I have 19 horizontal slats that will just line up like this with a ½ inch space in between, except that I don't have enough panels because these are less wide than I originally designed for. So I'm gonna have to make the back panel a little bit shorter and make the spacing a little bit wider in some parts. So we'll see how this turns out. I screwed each horizontal slat to 2 vertical pieces of wood using a spare slat as a spacer. Towards the bottom, I doubled the spacer size. Welcome to the beginning of day 3. The first day we finished these boxes, the second day we finished the back panels, and today we'll just be painting and possibly assembling, depending on our transportation situation, up to the restaurant. If we can get a box truck, we're just going to assemble here for ease. I have been handling these back panels and I'm a little bit nervous because they're wavy. And so we're going to add a 2x4 to the back, straight down the middle, which is not part of our original design, but we need the strength. I tried to do a smaller piece here, but it's just not enough. So we're gonna add a bigger piece of wood. This is the paint that we got. It's a transparent acrylic latex. I've not used this kind of exterior finish before. My stepsister picked it up from Ace Hardware. We don't need the highest end cabinet grade finish. We just want something that's protective, and she got this redwood color, so it'll give it a little bit of life to this otherwise basic wood, and we'll see how this turns out. Alright, so this is day 4. The paint has all dried, and now I just got to figure out how to attach these. They're just going to go like this, but I'm deciding whether to use carriage bolts or screws to screw this in, and of course I still have to go to the hardware store to get the 2x4 that's going to go in back to further support this. We did rent a box truck, so we're gonna assemble them here and then deliver them already assembled. So that will make delivery a lot easier.